Hi guys, so today I'm gonna open the K1 electric scooter by Urban Drift. So it also comes in 3 colors, and that is blue, pink, and black, which I think that's really cool. So let's get started. Oh my god, how do I open this? Oh, I see. Oh wow, this is cool. And it's a nice pink color. Stamped out. Move that out of the way. So it also comes with this instructions manual, and the tires look really nice. It looks brand new. And there's also this electric thingy. It also comes with a charger right here because it's electric. So I need to go get some back help. So right now I'm telling my dad what to do from the instructions manual, and once it's assembled, we'll be back. Hi guys, so I'm back, and the instructions and assembly were pretty easy, and let's have a look at the scooter. Now let's have a look at these tires, and these tires are really pretty strong. And Dad, can you come in and help me about these height adjustments? And about these height adjustments, there's 3 of them, which is small, medium, and large. So my dad's gonna come in and show you all 3 of them. So the first one is the small one, and it's actually pretty small. And can you go on the next one, which is medium? And there's medium, which is also okay. And it's great. And it's large, which is the biggest. Oh, we have to get this charged up, and then I'll meet you, and we're gonna go and test it out. Hi guys, so I'm back, and the electric scooter is charged, so I'm ready to test out this electric scooter, and it's the time to test it out.